पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। Ashaएं in English means hope. So I recently came across this experiment called the Hope Experiment, which was done by a professor from Johns Hopkins who had graduated from Harvard. So pretty credible guy. He had done this experiment in late 1950s and he called it the Hope Experiment. Now as per this experiment, the professor took a bunch of rats and he put them in a bucket full of water. And the rats started to swim with their tiny legs. Now these rats could barely swim for 15 minutes and after that they started to drown. Just when they were about to drown and die, the professor rescued them, kept them outside, dried them up, gave them a little bit of food, allowed them to rest and again put them back in the water. Now this time the same bunch of rats who swam the first time for 15 minutes could swim for, guess how long? 30 minutes? 45 minutes? 1 hour? No, those rats actually swam for 60 hours. Yes, 60 hours. That's 240 times longer than the first attempt, which was 15 minutes. The professor concluded that the difference between the first and the second attempt was hope. Second time, these rats had the hope that someone will rescue them just before they're about to die. Such is the power of hope. So it is very important to stay hopeful even if the probabilities are very low, because hope can enable you to fight it out. Hope can enable you to hang in there. Hope can enable you to stay for as long as possible. You should also try and give hope to others. There are people around who are about to quit. There are people around who are about to give up. Just by you providing them this glimmer of hope will help them rise up, will help them fight it out, will help them hang in there. So stay hopeful and equally important, give hope to others who may be struggling. गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं, लेकर सूरत से आग आग गाए जा अपना राग राग आशाएं, कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।